Today during episode 125, look what just found. Look what just found. Pretty obvious what's going on with this one, isn't it? Yeah. Circle of death, crimp roll damage, post mint damage, whatever you want to call it. This is the ender to a roll, and look what the crimping machine did to the reverse of this cent. Does it give it any value? Nah, not like this. I mean, some of them are a little bit more interesting than others, and that might give it some value. But I just thought it was cool, and this one looks a little different, so I thought I would show you. Please click like and subscribe. Click the link below to watch the full-length version video, and I'll see you in the next one.